In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deals in Attio. We'll start from the Attio homepage and move into the Deals section, where you can create and organize a deal that you want to monitor. This process is useful because it gives you a simple way to keep your pipeline clean, see what is actively moving forward, and make sure nothing gets overlooked. Once you're in Deals, begin creating a new deal record. Enter a deal name that clearly identifies the opportunity. It's a good idea to use a name that will be easy to recognize later, especially if you're managing multiple deals at the same time. After that, set the deal stage to In Progress. This stage is important because it marks the opportunity as active, which makes it easier to track deals that are currently being worked on. Next, choose the deal owner. This helps assign responsibility so everyone knows who is handling that opportunity. Then set the deal value so you can measure the potential revenue tied to the deal. After that, add the associated company. This part is especially important because linking the deal to the right company keeps your records connected and makes it much easier to understand the full context of the opportunity later on. When those details are filled in, click Create Record and then confirm by clicking Create Record again if prompted. At that point, your deal is saved and ready to be tracked inside Attio. Now that the deal exists, the next part is filtering your view so you can focus only on the deals that matter most. Choose a filter, then select Deal Stage. Set the condition to Is, and choose In Progress. This filter is useful because it narrows your list down to only active deals, helping you quickly review what still needs attention instead of scanning through every record in your workspace. To stay on top of follow-up work, go to Tasks. Creating tasks is a great way to track your activities alongside your deals, so you always know what action needs to happen next. Click New Task, then choose the owner of the task so responsibility is clear. In the task details, enter Track all deals that are in progress and make the necessary updates. This creates a simple reminder that supports regular pipeline maintenance and helps ensure your active deals stay accurate and up to date. And that's how to track deals in Attio. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.